begged by popular demand, absolutely the worst questions you've asked about Shopify.
First up, can I use Shopify without a product? Well, Shopify is kind of for like selling products. It's for e-commerce. So
It can be digital products or physical products, but you need a product.
yeah.
Okay, next question. Why isn't my Shopify store making sales? Are you freaking serious? Like, that's such a broad freaking question. Have you got traffic? Have you got any add to carts? Have you got any impressions? Like, come on, guys.
I think like people don't realize that the average conversion rate e-commerce is 1% to 2%. So you need traffic. If there's no
If you
traffic,
ask this question, then I would be asking, why are you even operating a Shopify store? But anyway.
exactly. Next one. How do I dropship from Amazon to Shopify? Well, this is a bit of a tricky one. I think there's a misconception here. People think that I see products on Amazon and
They're trending
and I can ship them on Shopify. I mean, what you can do is you can use Amazon as a fulfillment service to ship the products that you have in the warehouse, but I think there's a bit of a misconception
of what these two are.
Yeah.
Next one, can I just copy paste a successful Shopify store? Short answer, no. Like, you can model success, but you cannot copy success. No, it's bad. It's plagiarism. No.
Next one, how can I start a Shopify store and get $100,000 in a month? That'd be nice, wouldn't it? I think even big brands, that doesn't start out that way. It's like a progression curve, right? It's a learning curve, it's a growing curve. Like, you start your store, you drive traffic to the store, you get some sales, and then you repeat it.
First of all, please choose high quality products and a niche that actually is going to add value to people and that you are passionate about. But anyway, next question. Can I sell anything on Shopify? Well, anything that's legal. Guys, you can't sell illegal stuff. Like, period. Don't do illegal stuff, period.
Great. Next one. Why won't Shopify allow me to add a PayPal account without a bank account? Well, I think that there's a verification process and you need to have a bank account linked. It's different in different countries.
I mean,
there's different rules in different countries.
Guys, if you don't have a bank account and you don't want to provide your identity, I mean, I'm sorry, sounds like a scam. Okay, next question. Can I use Shopify in a country that doesn't support Shopify? No. Like, no. There's probably going to be a different provider, but no, you cannot use Shopify if your country doesn't support Shopify. Full stop.
Next one. Can I sell copyrighted brands like Nike or Apple on Shopify? Well, you need permission from you can't just sell stuff if you don't have permission to sell it.
I mean, it's like, seriously? Seriously, is that a question? Okay, next question. People ask, believe or not, how do I get million visitors to my store for free?
That'd be nice.
Okay, if you like seriously want this, and this is the question you ask, you're probably gonna pay people who are gonna tell you that that's possible. And those people who are gonna tell you that, they're gonna send bot traffic to your store, and it's only gonna cost you $10,000, and you're gonna pay that $10,000 for fake bots to be clicking on your store
and not adding to cart and not buying.
So,
yeah.
I mean, you want that, or you genuinely want visitors who are the right kind of customers who can buy everything you want?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Great. Next one. Can I run Facebook ads on Shopify without any budget? Well, to run ads, you need a budget. You can't really get ads for free.
Exactly. Guys, we're down to the wire. Like, we're literally down to last 4 most popular questions out of the entire internet. And this one is my favorite because it's so freaking entrepreneurial. Can I sell my homework answers on Shopify? First of all, there needs to be an army of kids asking this question, otherwise the volumes wouldn't be so huge. Second, I think good thinking, buddy, because it's actually like not selling somebody else's answers, but your own answers, which means like you've done the study, like kudos to you. But yeah, if the rules of school don't allow that, then I wouldn't be doing that. But I would be thinking, you know what, this is start of your entrepreneurial journey. How can you take that, turn that into some sort of tutorial add value product and sell that?
I think the question, like, how can I monetize what I'm already creating?
Yes.
That's a good question.
Exactly.
I like that one.
I like that one too.
Cool, next one. How can I make Shopify work with putting in zero efforts? Putting in no effort, I think was the exact phrase. Well, like we said before, passive income, there's no really such thing. So you've got to put some effort in if you want it to work long term. Otherwise, what we're doing is a Ponzi scheme, like building something that's gonna
get rich quick.
Get rich quick. That don't work in the long run.
It sounds like something that our nephew would ask, and he's 10, by the way. Okay.
Yeah.
Next question. Can I open Shopify store today and make money tomorrow?
It's possible, but unlikely.
It's not very probable.
Yeah.
Okay. You can open your store today, provided you're gonna get it done in a few hours, which is entirely possible. And we've got a tutorial on how to do that. And if you want the latest video, how to open your Shopify store, there's a link below. So let's say you set this challenge to start making money in 24 hours. It is entirely possible. You launch your store, you take your product, you create social media page, you ideally post some videos, share it a few times. If you're really good at creating videos, then there could be a chance that they get over 5,000 views on your first hit. If you use some trending sounds and let's say you already have some following on TikTok or Instagram. And then if you create some special offers, you might make first few sales tomorrow. Is it gonna be profitable? Like, will you have made money?
Out of the gate?
Out of the gate? Probably not.
Probably not, yeah.
Yes.
And the last one, can I sell pictures of my feet on Shopify?
Guys, you will not believe this is the absolutely most popular question by volume that's been asked for Shopify and the entire internet.
I think the answer is technically maybe you could if it's not against the terms.
But I still am pondering on the question. Like, they're literally like, how many millions of people must have asked this for this question to be number one?
Yeah.
But yes, you can.
Yes.
If like your feet belong to you and you know.
Yeah, and it's arts and it's not against the terms of the Shopify, what you can sell.
Yeah.
But there might be other platforms that are more suitable for that kind of thing.
That's true. Like, what are they called? There is the Craigslist.
There's
Any of those
many
ones?
other platforms out there.
Many other platforms
Yeah.
for your feed. But why not? Like,
Why
why not? I always believe there is market for everything.
So those are the worst questions.